Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got a surprise mystery box unboxing from Accessorize to share with you. I've got two. I've got a £10 box and I've got a £20 box, which is super light, and you will see why in a minute. If you didn't already know, Accessorize have been doing these mystery boxes now for quite a while. I was first made aware by it by a lovely follower that messaged me on Instagram to let me know, and she showed me her contents, and yeah, some things are hit and miss, but generally not too bad. But it's the excitement level, isn't it? I absolutely love accessories and I love Accessorize. They do amazing sales, so I'm guessing all the items that you see in these mystery boxes are all the items that have gone on sale for this like 70% off sale and they just can't get rid of them. Maybe, I don't know. But no, I've got to be honest and let you know that although these are exciting and my boxes are not too bad, but there have been known to be worse ones out there. I posted up about these boxes on my Facebook page recently. A few of my followers went on to purchase boxes for themselves and they've been posting up pictures of their contents. Some of them are really good, really good, but someone did say that she did receive one of these boxes previously and it was all Halloween things. And also there could be a chance of you receiving like a pair of sandals, for instance, you know, that are size 5 when you could be like me, a size 8 or something like that. So, or a dress, a summer dress, because if you didn't already know, Accessorize has everything related to jewellery, sunglasses, bags and summer shops. So think swimwear, little dresses, beach dresses and bags and towels and things like that. But this person did tell me that she was so shocked with what she received, so she got in touch with Accessorize and they offered to give her a refund, which I thought was brilliant. So yeah, my biggest fear was receiving Christmas stock, you know, Christmas glasses, Christmas wigs, Christmas jewellery with Santa Claus on or something like that, and I was just thinking, oh, no. But no, I haven't. That's not to say that if you were to think, oh, I'm going to get a mystery box, then there could be a chance that you could have a dud one. Not dud, but one that you're like, oh, what a waste, what a waste. But anyway, if you're like me and you absolutely love a surprise, then yeah, definitely check out the £10 one, the £10 one. They say the £10 one has a value of around £50 and the £20 box has a value of £100. Although in my box, I can't see that. I wasn't going to open these, I was going to save them so then you can see my reactions on camera, but they came with any stickies or anything there, so it's like, so I just opened it up thinking, is it all wrapped up? No! So I got to see them all, so apologies for that, but let's get on to it. So first up, the £10 box. Give a little sneak peek first. I like that they still got the labels on them and they haven't got the stickers on them, so maybe they are not sale items then, maybe they're just like excess stock. I don't know. So I've got a headband here and this would cost £9. Has it got silver on it? It's like a little top knot there. I wear these type of headbands a lot. I can't work out, is it silver? Yeah, a little glitzy headband there. Yeah, it's nice. It is nice. Personally, I'm not really into sparkly things, so I wouldn't have bought this. But yeah, it feels quite nice and stretchy. That's okay. That's okay. Now the next item is a jewellery item. I was gutted when I saw this. I love jewellery, all necklaces. You can see behind me, I have got a ton of necklaces and things. And they tend to be silver, but I will wear gold. But this is gold, but really not my style at all, unfortunately. And this would cost £17. So yeah, so it's a bracelet, like a stretchy bracelet. And then there's a clasp there then. Not for me at all. Yeah. So next we got some sunglasses. I am super fussy when it comes to sunglasses and I only ever wear aviators. It's just me. It's just I've always been the same. I've always worn them. I've got a pair of aviators here, but these are small. How much do these cost? These will cost £12.50. There, try and look at the ring light. They're lovely. They're really nice, but they look small. Now when I'm on a search for a pair of aviators, I try to go for the biggest lenses. I wear prescription glasses to see far away. I wear men's because women's are too small for me, so I tend to go for the biggest lenses possible, and these look quite small. Oh, I don't know though. They're not too bad actually. And looking in the viewfinder next to the camera, they look quite big on the viewfinder, but they look really small there. I'm chuffed for those. The final item in the box, this is the fourth item, and it's another pair of glasses. Now these look super cool. I don't think I've ever worn any like this before. They're cat eye. Aren't they cool? I really like them, but I'm not sure about the style. I've got a really round face. To buy them will cost you £15. But aren't they nice? Right. Oh my word. Look at the ring light. I don't know. What do you think? What do you think? Let me know down in the comments. They are cool though. They are really cool. I love the tortoiseshell. It's just the design, isn't it? Now on to my £20 box. Look how big this is. Look how big, and look what's in it. So I've got items down here, and I've got a hat. What a big box. Okay, this looks as if it's dropped on the floor. It's full of fluff. It's like a baker boy hat. Yeah, it is full of fluffs. It's marked up as though it's on the sale. I don't know what it is in UK, but it's €23.90. But yeah, can you see all the fluff on there? It's like it's been mixed with a load of other things, woolen things all together or something, isn't it? It's a navy top and black there. Now I don't wear these hats. I tend to wear bigger ones like fedoras. I love them. Absolutely love them. And cowboy hats. I won't put it on now because I've got other videos to film. But yeah, that might be a handy hat just for walking a dog or something. I don't know. So going back to the £10 box, there was 4 items. £20 box, I've got 6 items. 1 being a hat, 5 blimmin' sunglasses. 5 sunglasses. Oh my I know, completely shocked. Okay, I do love sunglasses. I do love them. Maybe this is what I need. Maybe this is fate for me to try styles out of my comfort zone. I don't know. I'm sure I've got exactly the same ones though. So the first 2 then, it looks like they're the same as the other ones I had. Let me see. It says airport price, £10.41. High street price, £12.50, and these are £12.50 as well. So that was in my £10 box, and this is in my £20 box. So yeah, exactly the same. Exactly the same aviators. One for the car, one for my handbag. Yeah. And these ones, oh, I don't like these ones. I don't know what price these are. It's come off. But look at those. They're black plasticky ones. Got a black mat. And then you've got a shiny silver clear type of plastic. I don't like these ones. Oh my word, they look tiny. They feel tiny on my face. No, I don't like them at all. What do you think? No, don't like those. My next bag, and there's 3 in here. Is it 3 or 4? 3, I think. Oh my god. Oh my word. They're all like tangled. Why on earth would anyone think it's a great idea to put 5 sunglasses in a 6 product box? Oh, it might not be. You might get more or less. I'm not sure. I'm just going by what I've received. Why would someone think, yeah, put 6 sunglasses in here? Surely there is a bit of a mix, because I have seen some really good boxes out there. And again, I've got these tortoiseshell ones. Exactly the same. I remember wearing ones like this. They're round, little round ones when I was a teenager, thinking I look cool. But yeah, it hasn't got a price on them. But yeah, look, I love the colour. The colour is lovely. But round glasses and a round face. But I do really like the colour of them. They're not as round like John Lennon glasses then, that used to be the fashion years and years ago. They're not that round, what are they? I don't know. Oh, it's a shame. It's a shame they're not aviators. And then the last pair is exactly the same as what someone else has received before. And again, there's no price on there. So these are like aviators, but with additional detail at the top there. They feel like they're really far away from my head. See, I should have waited and filmed tomorrow. I'm filming at night, so I have to use a ring light, but hopefully you can see there. They're not too bad. I think I've got something similar. I'm not sure. I need my glasses to really see clearly in the viewfinder. I've got 7 pairs of sunglasses, but none of them really blow me away. I do like them, the aviators. That is definitely a pair that I'd go for, but I'm gonna have to see on a bigger mirror. It just looks really narrow. I tend to opt for like bigger ones then. So you see more glasses than face. That's the look that I'm trying to get. Overall, I've just blown £30. Do I think it's worth it? No, not really, but I would do it again because there's a little compulsion inside of me that is dying to find out if I would get anything better next time. You know, because I have seen other boxes that have been quite nice. For fun factor, definitely. I think this is really great fun. Or say, for instance, I know obviously we're in March now, but say if you had a get together, like a Secret Santa type thing. You know, getting a £10 box, you haven't got a clue what's inside it. But yeah, I think that would be a nice thing to do. Or like a present for someone. You don't have the responsibility of the thought behind the products. You'll just say, I hope you like it, I bought it, don't know what's inside, it's a mystery. So if it's crap, it's not on you then. Do you know what I mean? I don't know. I'm looking at them all. I'm just, why? Why 5 pairs of glasses in one box? Bonkers. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed watching. Please let me know if you've bought any mystery gift boxes from Accessorize before, and let me know what was in your boxes and whether you think it is worth it or not. And also, what do you think of my content? Would you be gutted if you've received them, or would you think, no, they're quite good, Claire? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.